Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Trachoma is a disease of the eyes.
Correct.
ECG is used for the diagnosis of elements of heart.
Correct.
Dialysis is used for the treatment of kidney failure.
Correct.
The most important stimulant in tea leaves is caffeine.
Correct.
Dolly is the name of the first cloned monkey, first cloned sheep.
Correct.
Which part of the camera is analog to the retina in the human eye? Lens, film, aperture, shutter, film.
Correct.
When a person enters a dark room from bright light, he is not able to see clearly for a little while because the retina becomes insensitive. Iris is unable to dilate the pupil immediately.
Correct.
What is the average adult pulse rate? 72 to 80.
Correct.
The beautiful curl patterns exhibited by a peacock in its tail feathers are due to selective reaction of light.
Incorrect.
Selective absorption of light. A lake starts freezing because of the cold atmosphere. It will first freeze at the top surface, in the middle pane, at the bottom.
Correct.
At the top surface.